Jerry and I'm the president here of the Central Pasco and Gulf Railroads.
My name is Bob Moutre. I'm one of the 7 original founders of this railroad.
My name is Bob Ryan. I'm with the Central Pasco and Gulf Railroad here in Cruz Lake Park in Pasco County. We are a 7.5-inch gauge railway, commonly referred to as live steam. Most of our locomotives are gasoline or electric powered, however we do have some steam locomotives.
We are a 8,500-foot track railroad that we started back in 2006.
We started at a meeting in October of 2006. Got together, decided what we wanted to do, then we went and actually talked with the county commissioners.
Now, we operate here in Cruz Lake Park, which is part of the Pasco County system. We offer free rides to the public the second Saturday of every month, starting at 10 a.m. in the morning and usually running till about 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Tonight is our big Halloween celebration. We do it actually 2 Fridays and 2 Saturdays, and we pull in roughly 1,000 people.
We decorate the woods, and we try to have a scary train and a non-scary train.
Track's about 1.5 miles around. In this kind of environment, it takes about a half-hour trip to go all the way around it with the, let's say, the features we have on the railroad for Halloween.
Farts and bodies! I need body farts! I need your body farts! I need them now!
It is dark out here at night. The only light you have is your headlight. So the dark effect, and then with the fluorescent little ghosts that we put out, it's really quite impressive. And it's a lot of fun. The kids seem to enjoy it. And if we scare somebody a little bit too much, then we go out of our way to make them feel better.
We do the hobby for us, but really what we're here for in here is for the kids. You know, they come on Saturdays, some of them come every month to the public run day. They just love it, you know, they just got to ride the trains.
This year has been very, very big for us in terms of development, and next year is going to be even better.